Hello, fellow air filter fans! Welcome to our channel where we dive into keeping your air clean and your turbines happy. I'm Sophie Belanger, and today we're unboxing used and dirty air filters to see what tales of dust they tell us. Alright, let's crack open this box and see what we've got. And here's a classic, the well-seasoned conical cylindrical. It looks like it's seen better days. Look here, there's quite some corrosion on this external cage. It looks like it had one too many salty margaritas on the beach. Not only is it corroded, but it looks like it's been installed by the rock himself. You can tell this filter is over-torqued and the cage has damaged the media. That's a path for bypass right there. And look at all this buckling and the pleat deformation here. Let's check the seal. That's been holding up well, yet there's some dirty water tracks inside. Let's figure out where that's coming from. We'll take a closer look inside, which should always be clean. The filter inner cage looks less corroded, but there are signs that water passed through the media at the top and cooled here. Dirt and salt dissolving in water, that's a recipe for disaster. You don't want that in your turbine. And there you have it, a peek into the life of a return air filter. So what's the scoop from today's unboxing? A filter might look okay, but if it's letting dirty water through, it's time for a change. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep the dirt on the dirty side and the clean side clean. See you in the next episode!